How to block devices connected to my hotspot. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on a device over here. As you do that, scroll down and tap on your hotspot. So here I have the option of portable hotspot. So tap on it. So right now it's toggled off, so just scroll down to the very end and here you can see the option of connected devices under the managed devices category. So tap on it, and as you do that, here you can see the option of block list. So tap on block list and you'll be able to just block the certain devices. Here you'll be able to see connected devices, but since I've already toggled off the connected or the hotspot option, you'll not get any devices. But if you have devices that you have connected, you just need to make a long press on the particular contact that you want to, or particular device that you want to block. So just make a long press and you can just disconnect and block them from your hotspot. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.